Hello, kids. Today we will learn about daily routine sentences. Welcome to Manushri and Mallar tutorial. I wake up early in the morning.
I wake up early in the morning.
I make my bed.
I make my bed.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I get dressed up.
I get dressed up.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I eat my breakfast.
I eat my breakfast.
I pack my school bag.
I pack my school bag.
I go to school.
I go to school.
I study in the classroom.
I study in the classroom.
I play with my friends.
I play with my friends.
I eat my lunch at school.
I eat my lunch at school.
I come back home.
I come back home.
I change my clothes.
I change my clothes.
I watch TV in my spare time.
I watch TV in my spare time.
I do my school homework.
I do my school homework.
I eat my dinner with my family.
I eat my dinner with my family.
I brush my teeth before going to bed.
I brush my teeth before going to bed.
I go to bed.
I go to bed.
Follow for more videos. Please like, share, and subscribe.